Was it always gonna be like this? Was there always venom waiting on our lips? Was it always written in the stars? Or did we go and sound all the alarms? Did we wake up? Did we wake up the sleeping giant? Yeah, I remember starting our descent. I'll meet you where the two worlds end. Who will fall walking on the edge? Did we wake up? Did we wake up the sleeping giant?